Hey folks, one of the main premises in macrobiotic diets is to learn how to eat for your needs, for your constitution, your health goals, how you're feeling right now, your health history, what you've been eating, and where you live in the season. And I write about this extensively in my book, and it's not so much trying to tell you what to eat and what not to eat, even though we basically center our diets around whole grains, legumes, vegetables, fruits, land and sea vegetables, nuts and seeds. It's what I'm trying to get across is a plan, a set of principles so that you can make the best decisions for yourself at any particular time. And that means it may look differently some days or some weeks or some times in your life. I have charts throughout, including in the appendices, that help you learn to recognize whether your symptoms may be a little too yin or too yang. And it's very general, but it's just to help get you in the ballpark so you feel more empowered to make the decisions you need and you don't feel trapped or stuck following one particular plan, and when that plan doesn't go well for you anymore, even if it started out feeling good, that you know how to self-adjust, and then you're not subject to all of the external media that you're watching with lots of promises and anecdotal evidence about this worked great for me and that worked great for me. And so as you'll see in the meal that I'm about to share, we only had one meal today, and the first part of our day I had tocino, the matcha one. It has a little MCT oil and oat milk fat in it, but basically, like Walter Longo discusses in his book, The Longevity Diet, if you're eating just fat, including from nuts and seeds and non-starchy vegetables, it would be kind of mimicking fasting. And so that's what I did today. I had celery that I added salt to, and then some roasted walnuts and roasted salted almonds. And that plus my hot drinks kept me going until we finally ate, which was close to 2:30, 3 o'clock, 24 hours after my previous meal. So while I wasn't completely free of food, I very much limited as far as possible by having nuts and seeds, the amount of carbohydrate and sugar until a meal. And that should have some health benefits to improve IGF and various other things. So that's what I'm wanting to point out. You can make a macrobiotic way of eating fit for your needs, and it's all about bringing balance. As you'll see in the meals, there's a balance of vegetables that grow upward and downward, so root vegetables and leafy greens. There's land and sea vegetables, and all these things bring about balance. There's a balance of salt and potassium, and that's also very important. And this is what I'm wanting to teach people, how to learn to tune in and learn a set of principles that they can apply really to every area of their life, not just what you choose to eat. So I hope this helps, and I hope you'll check out my book. And by the way, the companion recipe book is also now available. Very excited. Thanks for watching.